Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Now, I apologize for not the best video quality, but I am doing this outside on my laptop. So it is currently about 8:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My other business has been super busy. I've been keeping up with the market, obviously. Now, that doesn't stop just because I own another business. I look at this as a business. I treat day trading as a business, and I treat green bar trading as a business. This is something that I enjoy doing. I enjoy producing the content for everyone, and I enjoy sharing my technical analysis with you guys. So in this video, I'm gonna go over with you. Now, like I said, my hours are insane at the moment, really crazy, and to be honest, super tired right now. But I still wanted to come on here. I'm relaxing outside. It is a beautiful night. So I wanted to just come on here and give you guys a trade recap. I have not been taking any trades lately, as the market just has not provided opportunity. Now, tonight, the market provided opportunity, and with simple technical analysis. Oh God. Simple technical analysis, I was able to realize a pattern like I've done so many other times and take the trade. So hang on one sec and I will get to sharing the screen with you. Love seltzer. It is so good. All right. Sharing the moneymaker. Yes, finally a trade recap, because I noticed a trade and it gave me, wow, I left a lot of money on the table. Okay, you guys are not going to like how much money I left on the table here. But I did like that the trade only took me 1 minute. So let's get into it. I entered here and took the trade off in 1 minute. Now, you might be asking yourself, as you can see here, it was my only trade that I took all day long, okay? Right here, orders filled, one trade, bought at 8:06 and sold at 8:07 and 53 seconds. So just about a 2-minute trade. Now, why am I not trading a lot? Well, the market has been absolutely atrocious for day trading. It's really as simple as that. But I did see a nice setup coming. Now I will get into how I saw this setup. Okay, so first of all, this is the S&P 500. You guys know I do all my technicals off of this chart. I raised this bar a little bit. I had this down a little too low, so I raised it up to 40.50. I had it at 40.30, but it really should have been 40.50. So I moved the buying up, and we saw beautiful volume today. The dip got bought. Now, the next area that we may retest are these areas right here. 41.23, 41.40. We need to get over and hold these levels if we want to even think about getting back up to previous highs. So anyway, the reason why I took the trade, because that's why I'm making this video right now, is looking at the 1 minute. Now, the first really interesting thing that I noticed was this right here. And by the way, the reason why you guys might be asking yourself, man, all this guy does is talk about technical analysis. Like that's all this guy talks about. Well, when fundamentals aren't really making sense and valuations are already all over the place, I do like to look and see where the computer algorithms are making their trades, because this is very simple. Look, right here, you think that this is just coincidence? At 3 a.m., that's when the UK Open is, we sell off, okay? The dip is the usual between 10 and 11 a.m. This is nothing new, guys. This has been going on for almost a year now. The dip and rip. We got at the close right back to the same exact level we were in the pre-market. I mean, I don't hear anybody else even talking about this stuff. I don't see anywhere. How come CNBC does not have this type of stuff on there? Why are we seeing this on YouTube from a guy that only has 800 subscribers? I mean, we hit the same spot, okay? So there's the context behind my thinking before taking my trade. So at this point, I said, you know what? That was really strange that we closed the day at the same exact spot we started the pre-market at. And by the way, 3 a.m. Eastern Standard, that is when all the volume starts to pour in on the futures. It happens every morning, and it's associated with the UK Open. So we're at the same level. So now I know, okay, computers are in charge. They wanted to bring price down, right? This is where they do all the buying. So if there's margin calls on retail, this is where they're buying all the forced sales, and they're making a ton of money. I wish I had a computer algorithm like this. We got right back. The last 10 minutes of the day, we went from 40.89 right back to 41.13. Exactly where we started. So I noticed the pattern. Now I wanted to look for another pattern. I said, you know what? If that pattern followed itself so perfectly, let me see after 8 p.m., because after 8 p.m., that's when all retail platforms shut down, TOS, and it's taken over by all the futures trading at this point. So I said, you know what? Let me look back at 8 p.m. the night before, since I know at this point the computer algorithms are trading. So here you go. So 20 is 8 p.m. So we sold off last night during retail, the last half an hour of retail. So 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. we sold off. At 8, let me just zoom this in because you guys literally won't believe this. At 8:07, we climbed in about, let's see, let's do 10 minutes. Let's see, 10 minutes we climbed roughly 6, 12, about 8 points. 8 points in 10 minutes with huge green volume coming in. So I said to myself, let's see, the first opportunity that you start to notice buying after 8 p.m., jump in. That's what I said to myself. And that's exactly what I did, because when you have an edge in the market, you don't hesitate. You take what the market is giving you. And the market, I only took, this is so frustrating to look at. So I only got just about 3 points, okay? We did the full, as I'm making this video right now, we did the 8-point move, okay? I said we did the 8-point move last night. Why didn't I hold? Well, I'm a scalp trader. I like to sell into this big green bar, because when you're scalp trading, it could go right back against you. As much as I had conviction in my decision, in my trade, and seeing what happened last night after 8 p.m., I still wanted to scalp. I was in the profit. The market has been really crappy lately. So I said, if I'm going to take this one trade, let me get in and let me get out. I don't want to be watching it for a while. 2 minutes. So less than 2-minute trade. And that's what it is. But guys, the moral, if there's a moral here, I don't know. Do we have morals in day trading? Maybe. But the moral of this story is identify patterns. See them happen in real time. Go back, look at the charts. If you notice something like I did, the 3 a.m., right, to where we closed the session at, the same number, realize at that point that computers are trading and they want to get to certain levels, and you can take trades like that. I've been really good at noticing these patterns, seeing these patterns. I could look at a chart and I could just see these types of patterns that they tend to repeat themselves. They don't have to, but they tend to repeat themselves. So guys, that's my, very small profit, just my trade recap. Nothing big, but it's a green day. I only took one trade. I wasn't even going to take any trades, but I did step up and notice this pattern. So I just wanted to share with you guys this little trade recap, a nice pattern, and maybe for yourselves, you can start to see, as I post all these key areas of buyers and sellers with the computer algorithms, you maybe will see value in the video. You might see value in me, and you could go over, follow us on Twitter at Mr. Greenbar. I post every morning these important levels, and these levels have really been spot on. Also, we have a free Discord. Go in there, join. It's a great group, and there's a lot of really interesting ideas being thrown out in there. And I couldn't say enough good things about the way that our community is really growing from the ground up. And it's really nice to see. So guys, I hope that you found this interesting, enjoyed the video. Don't forget this. This helps us grow. It's going to help us get over 1,000 subscribers. And if you're new, please consider subscribing to us. And if you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section. I answer every single question for you guys to the best of my ability. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the day, night, wherever you are in the world. Take care.